children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your English course book. All of you open your English course book volume 2. Open your course book volume 2 page number 4. All of you open your course book volume 2 page number 4. We are going to learn new lesson. What's the new lesson? Sinana. Clever bunny rabbit fools cutie cow. Rabbit is clever. What is saying? A clever rabbit. Rabbit is a clever. Rabbit is a clever animal. Whom it fools? Clever rabbit fools a cutie cow. Understand me? A clever rabbit fools a cutie cow. How it fools? How the rabbit fools the cow? Let's learn in the lesson. Okay? How the bunny rabbit fools the cutie cow. Let's learn in the lesson. Before reading a funny story about a cow and rabbit, let us get to know few fun facts about cow and rabbits. Before going to the story, before knowing to the story, it's a funny story. It is a funny story. Before knowing to the story, you have to know about the rabbit and also cow. You have to know some of the facts. You have to know some of the facts about the cow and also the rabbit. What is the special of cow and what is the special of rabbit? Where do rabbit eat? Amma, there is in the study class I explained. There is a difference between rabbit and also hare. Hare is also called rabbit, no? But hare and rabbit both are same. Both are not same. Hare and rabbit both are not same. Okay. My rabbit is in white color and have the short ears. But the hare is huge than the rabbit. Hare is huge. Hare is bigger than the rabbit. Rabbit kante peddaga untundi hair. It has long ears and bright eyes. Large eyes. Hare has large ears and bright eyes. It lives in the wild areas. Hare lives in the wild areas. Rabbit lives in the near the meadows, the grasslands. Understand? Rabbit lives in the meadows and grasslands, but hare lives in the forest. Mostly the hare lives in the forest. That is, it lives with the wild animals. Hare lives with the wild animals. Lot of people want to keep the rabbits in their homes as a pets. That is only rabbit, not hare. చాలా మంది వాళ్ళ ఇళ్ళలో పెంచుకుంటుంటారు, అవునా? పెంచుకునే ఐటమ్ అంటే పెట్ చేసే మన టేమ్ చేసే యానిమల్ rabbit, but not the hare. Hare is another, rabbit is another. Understand me? We keep in our houses as a pet of rabbit only, not hare. Okay? Now come to the lesson. Do you know there are over 1 billion cows in the world? 1 billion cows in the world. They are found in all over the continents except in Antarctica. They eat and drink on an average up to 20 kgs of food and 130 liters of water per day. Cows also have a great sense of smell. They can smell things which are 8 kilometers away. This is the speciality of cows. Nearly 1 billion. Do you know how much 1 billion means? Here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 10,000 after 100,000. This is the international number chart is there, no? International periodic table, you know, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 10,000 after 100,000s. Amma lakhs undo manaku international periodic table lo 100,000s after million, 10 billion, 100 million, then billion. It is called billion. Means in our Indian charter, I will say ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. 1 billion means 100 crore. Understand me? How many? 1 billion means 100 crores. 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. 100 crores of cows are there. 100 crores of cows are there all over the world except the Antarctica. In Antarctica, no cows. In Antarctica, no cows. Without Antarctica only. Why there are no cows in Antarctica? Why there are no cows? Because this is a frozen continent, no? Antarctica is a frozen continent. Nobody will live. It is frozen. Frozen ante మొత్తం మంచు ఉంటుంది అక్కడ. Nobody can't live. There is an inhabitee. అక్కడ ఎవరు ఉండరు. Because it is the coldest continent. Nobody live in Antarctica. It is a frozen continent. మొత్తం అదే మంచిగా ఉంటుంది అక్కడ. So without Antarctica, no, not only cows, nobody are there in Antarctica. Cows కాదు ఎవ్వరూ ఉండరు అక్కడ. It is a frozen continent. Remaining 6 continents. Totally we have 7 continents now. 1 continent is frozen. Means in 6 continents. Okay? In the 6 continents, nearly 100 crores. 100 crores. 100 only? Yes. 100 crores of cows are there all over the world. Okay? Here, they eat and drink. How much they eat, do you know? Per a day. In 1 day, they will eat food, 20 kgs of food. Ma, per a day. Per a day. Not for weekdays. ఒక్కరోజు. In 1 day, they will eat 20 kgs of food. Cows will eat for 1 day 120 kgs of food and 130 liters of water. Understand me? Cows will eat 20 kgs of food per a day and 130 liters of water in a day. Understand me? They eat more and more. They will eat more. It's a large amount. They will eat a large. Okay. Next. Cow also have the great sense of smell. They have the great sensor. They can smell. They have the good sensitivity. Sensitivity means they can smell. They smell it perfectly. They have the sense of smell, a great sense of smell. They have the great sense of smell. ఎక్కువ sense of smell ఉంటుంది. They can smell anything. They can smell anything when the thing is far away from the 8 kilometers away. 8 kilometers away. 8 కిలోమీటర్స్లో ఉన్న దూరంలో ఉన్న థింగ్ని కూడా స్మెల్ చేస్తుంది. అండర్స్టాండ్ మీ? 8 కిలోమీటర్స్ నియర్లీ మన ఎట్లా అంటే అగ్రహారం అనుకోండి. డూ యూ నో? ఇఫ్ ఎ థింగ్ ఈజ్ దేర్ ఎట్ ద అగ్రహారం, ఇఫ్ ద కౌ ఈజ్ హియర్, ఇట్ కెన్ స్మెల్. It can smell what is there at that place. So it is having the good sense of smell. Who is having the good sense of smell? Cows. Cows are having the good sense of smell. They can smell anything from 8 kilometers away. Understand me? And they eat they eat 20 kgs of food and 130 liters of water per day. Understand me? Next, do you know about rabbit? There are many species of rabbits. Rabbits reproduce often and usually have 2 to 3 litters a year. Each litter has 4 to 6 babies. When they are born, rabbit babies have no fur and their eyes are closed. They sleep for 8 hours a day and on average they are most active at dawn and dusk. Amma, here this is a rabbit, this is a hare. This is called hare, having long ears. This is also hare. These both are called hares. This is called rabbit. Okay, rabbit is in white in color and having short ears than the hare. Hair is huge than the hare, than the rabbit. ఇక్కడ హెయిర్ చూడండి, హెయిర్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది rabbit కంటే. And having bright eyes, large eyes, and it is in brown color, brown and white color. But all the rabbits are in white color only. It is having smooth fur. Understand? Rabbits are having smooth fur. There are many species, many different kinds of rabbits are there in the world. There are different kinds of rabbits are there in the world. Okay, and also they reproduce. Rabbits reproduce. They give the birth. They give the birth to their young ones 2 or 3 times in a year. Understand me? They reproduce. Reproduce means they give birth. Rabbits will give birth to the young ones. Amma, litter means giving birth. Giving birth to the young ones. Litter. They will litter 2 to 3 times in a year. Understand me? They give birth 2 to 3 times. Either 3 times or 2 times in a year. For each litter. ఇయర్లోనే 2 నుండి 3 టైమ్స్ వరకు అది తన పిల్లల్ని కంటుందంట. It will give birth to the young ones. In each litter, and once it is having the litter, in one's litter, it may give birth to the 4 to 6 and 4 to 6 babies. Understand me this one? Rabbit give birth to either 2 or 3 times in a year. 2 times అన్నా 3 times అన్నా తన బేబీస్కి లైఫ్ ఇస్తుంది. ప్రతిసారి ఎంతమంది పిల్లల్ని బోర్న్ చేస్తుంది? It will give the birth to the young ones 4 to 6 babies. One time, first time it will give the birth to the 4 to 6 babies. Second time 3 times kadra, year lo 3 times. Okay nara? First time 4 to 6 babies. Second times are also 4 to 6 babies. And third time also 4 to 6 babies. Means if you give the birth to the babies for 4 అంటే ప్రతిసారి 4 బేబీస్ని లైఫ్ ఇచ్చింది అనుకోరా, అంటే ఇయర్లీ ఎంత 8 12 ఆర్ 6 plus 6 12 plus 18. Either for every year it will give the birth to the 12 to 18 babies. Yearly 3 times అది బర్త్ అంటే రీప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసుకుంటే ప్రతిసారి 4 to 6 బేబీస్ని రీప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తే ఇయర్లీ it will give 12 to 18 babies. It will reproduce. The rabbit will reproduce 12 to 18 babies in a year. It will give birth to the young ones yearly 12 to 18. Understand me? When they are born, when the babies are born, they are blind. When the babies are born, they are unable to see. They are blind. They are the born blinds. Means that they close their eyes, not blind. When the babies are born, they don't have fur. Actually, Nana, rabbit is having fur. Rabbit is having smooth fur. Rabbit ki chala smooth fur untundi. But when they are born, for the baby young ones, there is no fur. But puttinappudu fur undadu. There is no fur. And their eyes are closed. Eyes closed cheskoni puttaru. Okay? And they don't have the fur. Along with that, they sleep 8 hours per day. When they are born, they slept 8 hours. And they are active at the dawn and dusk time. Dawn means when the sun rising, before the sunrise. That is called dawn. Before the sunrise, and sun rakamundu at 5 o'clock, 4 to 6 in the early morning is called a dawn. 4 to 6 early morning before the sunrise. Sun రావడానికి ముందు ఉండే సమయం టైం ఏమంటారంటే dawn అంటారు. Understand me? Before the sunrise, the time before the sunrise is called dawn. The time is 4 to 6. అంటే 6 o'clock sun వచ్చేస్తారు కదా, నార్మల్గా 6 కాగానే సన్ వచ్చేస్తారు, సన్ రైజ్ అయిపోతుంది. దానికంటే ముందు అంటే 4 to 6 టైం. 4 to 6 time they are active. Early morning they are active. And in the evening means dusk time, when the sun is setting. When the sun is setting అంటే sun వెళ్ళిపోతున్నప్పుడు, it is going to becoming night. It is going to becoming night. At that time also they are active. The babies are actually daytime fully they slept. డే మొత్తం పడుకునే ఉంటాయి. ఎప్పుడు యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటాయి? ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్. ఎట్ ద dawn time they are active. and at the dusk time when the sun is setting out, at that time they are active. These two times they are active. Okay, remaining times they are very dull, they close their eyes and they slept. Okay, next come to the lesson. It was summer and all the animals were busy with their meal as it was lunchtime. The bunny rabbit was skipping down and the road that afternoon, heading for his home in the busy path. When he spotted Cutie cow grazing in the field, as it was mighty hot day, but rabbit was very thirsty. He wanted to ask Cutie cow, but Cutie cow never gave an ounce of milk to anybody. Being thirsty, Bunny Rabbit came up with a plan. He felt quietly, walked up to the cow and asked, "How are you, Cutie cow?" Here, it was a summer day. How is the summer? Summer is too hot, no? Summer is too hot. There is a bunny rabbit in the meadows. There was a bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbit is going to his home. Bunny rabbit played in the morning in the meadows. Meadows lo kondi afternoon varaku adukundi. It felt hungry. It felt hungry in the afternoon. It's afternoon. In the summer season, afternoon is too hot, no? నార్మల్గా సమ్మర్ సీజనే చాలా హాట్గా ఉంటుంది. అందులో లంచ్ టైం ఎలా ఉంటుందిరా? ఇట్ ఈస్ టూ హాట్, నో? ఇట్ ఈస్ టూ హాట్ ఇన్ ద లంచ్ టైం, isn't it? All the animals are busy in taking lunch. All are taking lunch. This is lunch time. It is lunch time to us and us animals. మనకు లంచ్ టైం, మధ్యాహ్నం మనకు లంచ్ టైమే కదా. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock మనం లంచ్ చేస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ అస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో యానిమల్స్ ఆల్సో టేక్ లంచ్ ఎట్ ద టైం. యానిమల్స్ కూడా అదే టైంలో లంచ్ చేస్తాయి. సో ఆల్ ద యానిమల్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ బిజీ ఇన్ టేకింగ్ లంచ్. ఓకే, లైక్ దట్ ఆల్ ఆర్ బిజీ, నో? సో rabbit also wants to go to his home to take lunch. So that's what it is, going back to his home. తనకి ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. Who is going? Bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbit is going to his home by jumping. By jumping, it is going to his home. తన ఇంటికి గెంతుకుంటూ అంటే ఎగురుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంది. At that time, he saw a cutie cow on the meadows. Bunny rabbit saw a cutie cow in the meadows, meadow grass, the grasslands lo. It saw a cutie cow. Okay, whenever rabbit saw the cutie cow, what is the cutie cow is doing? The cutie cow is grazing. Eating grass is called grazing. గడ్డి తినడాన్ని grazing అంటారు. What is the cutie cow doing? The cutie cow is grazing. Grazing means eating the grass in the meadows. In the mighty hot day. Mighty means that is afternoon, Rana. How is afternoon? Summer afternoon. Summer afternoon is too hot, no? Okay, too hot, చాలా వేడిగా ఉంటుంది. In this too mighty hot day, what is the cutie cow doing? The cutie cow is grazing. Okay, the cutie cow is grazing in the field. Here the rabbit is coming. At that time it was too hot, no? That's what the cutie cow, the bunny rabbit, felt thirsty. Bunny rabbit felt thirsty. That's what he wanted to ask the cutie cow to give milk. Understand me? Bunny rabbit wanted to ask milk. To whom it want to ask milk? It wanted to ask milk the cutie cow. Bunny rabbit wanted to ask the milk from the cutie cow. But cutie cow knows, bunny rabbit knows. Rabbit knows about the cow. The cow is not giving milk to anyone. The cow is not giving milk to anyone, to anybody. Understand me? This cutie cow is not giving milk to anyone. It's not giving milk. Then it will give to the rabbit. Cutie cow is not giving milk to anyone. ఎవరికి మిల్క్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు. ఎవరికి ఇవ్వనప్పుడు బన్నీ ర్యాబిట్ ఇస్తుందా? ఎవరికి ఇవ్వట్లేదు కదరా. మరి బన్నీ ర్యాబిట్ అడిగితే ఇస్తుందా? No. Bunny rabbit, what I have to do is thinking. It is not giving milk to anyone, no? Bunny rabbit is not giving milk to anyone. ఎవరికి ఇవ్వట్లేదు. It will give to me? No. So bunny rabbit think a plan. Thought of a plan. ఒక ప్లాన్ వేసుకుంది. I have to drink milk from the cutie cow. ఎలాగైనా నేను cutie cow milk తాగాలి. I have to drink. Rabbit decided I should drink the milk of cutie cow. ఖచ్చితంగా ఎవరికి ఇవ్వట్లేదు కదా అది. cutie cow ఎవరికి మిల్క్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు కదా. ఖచ్చితంగా దాని దగ్గర మిల్క్ నేను స్టీల్ చేయాలి. I have to steal that. Okay? Like that the rabbit thought. And he thought of a plan. మంచి ప్లాన్ వేసుకుంది. ఎలాగైనా cutie cow దగ్గర నుండి మిల్క్ నేను తాగేయాలనుకుంటుంది. అనుకుని it thought of a plan and went near to the cutie cow. Bunny rabbit thought of a plan. ఒక ప్లాన్ వేసుకుంది. It wanted to drink the milk of cutie cow. Cutie cow దగ్గర ఎలాగైనా మిల్క్ తాగాలని ఏం చేసింది? Thought of a plan and went to the cutie cow. Cutie cow దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళేసింది. What he asked, how are you cutie cow? Next వెళ్ళి ఏమడిగింది? How are you cutie cow? Are you fine? Bunny rabbit asked. Next what happened? We'll see. Oh, I'm good. How about yourself? Bunny rabbit asked cutie cow. How are your folks? Fair to middling, said bunny rabbit. How is your possible? So, replied cutie cow. I am wondering if you could help me out. Bunny rabbit said to cutie cow, I would like to get some plums from the tree, but it is too high for me to climb. He pointed over to a nearby plum tree. I am not good at climbing myself, said cutie cow suspiciously. You don't need to climb, said bunny rabbit. Just dump your head against the tree a few times and the plums will all fall down. It went to the cutie cow. Bunny rabbit went to the cutie cow and asked, how are you? Then cutie cow said, I'm so fine, I'm good. Cutie cow said, I'm so good. How are you? And what about your face? Folks means the baby rabbits are called the folks. Okay? How are your babies? Asked the cutie cow. Then bunny rabbit said, okay, so fine. I am so fine. My babies also so fine. All are fine. The bunny rabbit said. Then what about your bull? Is it fine? Bull kuda possible. Your bull possible is good. మీ bull బాగుందా? Bull is the మా bull అంటే ఇక్కడ Bull is the husband. Cow, bull, the male one. Cow is the female one. Bull is the male one. Okay? What about your bull? He asked. Then the cow said, so fine. It is also so fine. After that, the rabbit asked, I want, do you do one favor to me? Do you do one favor to me? Do you help me? Do you help me? Bunny rabbit asked the cow, cutie cow. Bunny rabbit asked the cutie cow, do you help me? Then the cow said, what? How can I help you? What is your problem? How can I help you? The cow asked. Then the rabbit is saying, I am so hungry today. I am so hungry. The rabbit is saying, I am so hungry today. I want to eat the plums. I want to eat the fruits. Plum is a fruit. I want to eat the plums. But the plums are very far. I am unable to pluck them. Understand me? I am unable to climb the tree and I am unable to pluck them. What is a cutie cow saying? The rabbit is saying that I am so hungry today. I want to eat the plums. But the plums are very high. The plums are very high and I am unable to pluck them. They are very high and I am unable to climb that. I am unable to climb that tree. Will you help me? Will you help me? Will you pluck them? Will you help me to get those fruits? Will you help me to get those plum fruits? Plum fruits, I want to get them. Will you help me? He asked the cutie cow. Then the cutie cow said, how can I help you? I also can't climb the tree, no? Like you. Understand me? They are very high. The plums are very high. How can I climb? Cutie cow is saying, how can I climb up the tree? How can I help you? Then the cow asked. Then the rabbit said, okay. You don't climb. No need to climb. No need to climb. What you have to do? You have to hit the tree with your hands. Many times. You must hit the tree, hit the stem. Stem ఉంది కదా, trunk ఉంది కదా, tree trunk ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ fruits అన్ని ఉన్నాయి. What you have to do? You have to hit with your hands. You have two hands now. You must hit forcefully to the trunk. Many times. చాలా టైమ్స్ నువ్వు ఇలా హిట్ చేసావు అనుకో ట్రంక్ని, ఏమైపోతాయి? It may shake and the fruits may fall down. Understand me? If you hit the tree trunk with your hands, నువ్వు నీ హ్యాండ్స్తో బాగా పుష్ చేస్తావనుకో ఏమవుతుంది? పైన ఫ్రూట్స్ అని ఏమైతే it may fall down. The plums may fall down. Then I can eat. Understand me? Then I can eat the fruits. Will you help me? The rabbit asked like that. Okay? Then it will help or not. We will see in the next class. Okay? Today's class is completed. Bye.